McDonald's. I'm finna crash into it on my mom.
Dramatic crash at a McDonald's in Springfield. Miraculously, the driver was able to get out of the car without help and is recovering from their injuries.
TikToker Amigo Chino placed on house arrest for crashing into a...
They put me on house arrest, but if this video blow up, I'll cut it for real. Don't know who I am? I'm the dude who cut my ankle monitor on TikTok live. This is my makeshift camp until I get to the next location. I'm heading towards New York. Hey yo, I came to New York for one reason and one reason only. I came here to get sturdy. What's up? On my mama, I'm finna go ride that. On my mama, fuck Burger King. I'm finna crash into on my mama. $13?
New today out of Georgia, it's not what you expect to see when you head to the drive-through line. Multiple agencies are on scene at a Burger King in Franklin County. It comes after a car.
Yo, on my mama, fuck Orange Theory. I'm finna put a brick on my boss's fucking gas pedal on that, and that shit finna...
It was quite the scary scene, a car crashing into an Orange Theory.
On my mama, fuck Starbucks. I'm tired of serving Bentley's. I'm finna crash into this bitch on my mom.
The car was flying down Route 1 here, and you can see where it ended up, leaving the roadway and crashing right through this Starbucks. You can see a lot of damage.
I'm currently on the run for crashing my whip into my workplace, but you know, I'm just trying to have a good time before they capture me. So what's up? Where do y'all want me to just hustling? Follow me on this crazy adventure. I'm gonna do as much as I can before I get captured. Holy shit, they got the wrong house.
Wanted for going on the run.
Amigo Chino here, and if you don't know who I am, let me recap the last 6 months of my life. I was your typical loser, you know.